We were referred to Dr. Blehm by our regular optometrist, and Alyssa's kind of struggled with vision problems all of her life. Part of having Down syndrome, she's had glasses since she was about 8, I think. And I guess about 2.5 years ago, I started noticing I would pull up to pick her up from somewhere and she was struggling to see that it was me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And so I took her to our eye doctor, and he said, yes, she has cataracts like you wouldn't believe. It's basically, he was surprised that she was getting around as well as she was. So we were referred to, actually, I'll say we were referred to 2 other places before here, and I called the doctor back and said, I'm just not comfortable. The places that I went to, I'm just not having a good feeling. Are you sure she needs the surgery? And he said, yes, let me do a little bit more research. And he sent us here to see Dr. Blehm, and Alyssa and I both were very comfortable from the first time that we met him. What did you say about Dr. Blehm right when he walked in the door?
I said he looks very handsome and dreamy.
She said, very handsome and dreamy. And I think it was his manner that really he took the time to talk with Alyssa personally, where we hadn't experienced that before. So I think arrival was, you had to do some drops beforehand, and Alyssa is, she's actually a really good patient. She takes direction well, so we had to do the drops, and then the day of the surgery, yes, probably a little bit of nerves with the IV and going back, but everything ran like clockwork. From the time that they brought her back for the pre-op, the surgery itself was maybe about 40 minutes, if I recall, and they came right out and said that she, had woken up saying, when is it going to happen? Do you want to tell the first time that you went to bowling after you had your surgery done?
I was like amazed at I could see the pens.
Yes, I picked her up from bowling after, I think she didn't go maybe for the 2 weeks. It was over a Christmas break that we had the surgery done. And I just remember her going back, and when I picked her up, she said, I bowled so much better. I could see everything. So, absolutely, I would recommend Gainesville Eye Associates for cataract surgery, any type of eye care. They were just above the rest in patient care, the way that they addressed our concerns with Alyssa's special needs, and the follow-up. We had a great experience, and I would highly recommend Gainesville Eye for any type of surgery regarding the eye.
Thank you, Dr. Blehm.